performance of the industry. So Parafi, the stage, the screen is yours for 15 minutes. Go ahead.
Thank you, Basri, for the kind introduction. It, of course, is, any upstream producer has a very large footprint, a very large customer base, so it has a high impact on the industry. It plays a crucial role in the competitiveness because raw material is about 50-60% of the cost of the finished product. And so that's very important to be competitive upstream. We need to innovate. The consumer trends are changing and we need more and more products. And I think the industry is gearing up and each one has its own strategy going forward. And the future, of course, is collaboration. Earlier, we imported cotton, we exported yarn, we imported gray, we exported finished fabrics, we exported garments. I think the name of the game now is collaboration with midstream across the industry so that we can be more competitive and export. Next. Yeah, so if you look at consumer trends today, of course, they are realigned. Sustainability is the biggest story. Even young consumers are looking at long-term sustainability, so all companies have to align with sustainability. Protection has become big apart from workwear and outdoor wear. There is medical protection. APF, Asia Pacific, did a lot of development and provided the domestic market with medical suits and maskers, etc., high performance. So those potential is there in the local industry. Comfort with work from home and leisure and functional clothing are very important. And so comfort is a big theme. Multi-fibers, always the comfort factor of rayon, for example, is cool and environmentally friendly and very nice feel. Cotton and wool we don't produce in Indonesia, so there's a lot of opportunity to substitute this. So multi-fiber is a consumer area of demand. And then semi-technical, where shoes, dolls, there's a lot of export from Indonesia, which also involves textile, and we could add a lot of value. So these are some end segments. Next.
Rafi, you almost spent 20 minutes, Pak. So can you have this? This is the last slide.
Yeah. Okay. I'll wrap it up. So if you go to the next slide, Pak. Yeah, so this is a concept of sustainability that is important. As you know, water is a very rare resource in Indonesia, and whatever we can put in our yarns and fibers as an integrated part of our product, it stays durable, is inherent, and therefore it's very important. Can you go to the second last slide? Yeah. One more? No, one more? Yeah. Okay, so again, as the industry, we have a lot of solutions to provide from the raw material side. We have, to drive this revitalization, we can contribute. We can integrate with upstream PTA to PX, which is Tuban. We can invest as investment Batang in filament. We showed you the chart where filament is consumption and demand is almost equal. So filament expansion can be done. Substitution of imports can be a great driver. So this is our contribution to the revitalization. Thank you, Basri.
Rafi, thank you so much. I'll get back to you with my questions. We have somebody here that cannot wait for the next panelist, but this question is for you from Iren Justitia. He said, Rafi, so please give a very short answer, Rafi. Why is our price higher in China on most fabrication?
Yeah, I think we've said how the industry has been constructed in these countries, and we've done the analysis of how they are integrated. They have textile parks. The special textile parks have pricing that makes them very competitive, special pricing in power, special pricing in a lot of the costs are handled by the state, like water and water treatment. So they can be very competitive, and they have built capacities in order to export and take over markets like other countries. So we are seeing that other countries have their own strategy and they're successful. So I think Indonesia can be very successful.